The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Stand with anyone that is right, stand with him while he is right, and part with him when he goes wrong. As I would not be a slave, so I would not be a master. This expresses my idea of democracy. The greatest fine art of the future will be the making of a comfortable living from a small piece of land. Get books, sit yourself down anywhere, and go to reading them yourself. Die when I may. I want it said of me, by those who know me best, that I always plucked a thistle and planted a flower, when I thought a flower would grow. Hypocrite, the man who murdered his parents and then pleaded for mercy on the grounds that he was an orphan. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Be with a leader when he is right, stay with him when he is still right. But leave him when he is wrong. I have come to the conclusion never again to think of marrying, and for this reason, I can never be satisfied with anyone who would be blockhead enough to have me. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep on doing so until the end. We should be too big to take offense, and too noble to give it. The Bible is not my book, nor Christianity my profession. I could never give assent to the long, complicated statements of Christian dogma. When I get ready to talk to people, I spend 2/3 of the time thinking what they want to hear, and 1/3 thinking about what I want to say. No matter how much the cats fight, there always seem to be plenty of kittens. Achievement has no color. The probability that we may fail in the struggle ought not to deter us from the support of a cause we believe to be just. I don't know who my grandfather was. I am much more concerned to know what his grandson will be. 77 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Honor to the soldier and sailor everywhere who bravely bears his country's cause. Honor also to the citizen who cares for his brother in the field and serves, as he best can, the same cause.